Welcome everybody. I'm gonna do a simplistic bloom on a black base. I haven't tried that before, so I'll see how my black paint's working. I've left it open to thicken it up a little bit because it was too thin. So we'll see if it behaves today. Alright, I'm gonna use red, gold, and purple. Maybe a little bit of green. This red is opaque, so I'm gonna put it right there. I don't need much. And this is Winsor & Newton Winsor Violet. I'm just gonna make sure it's thin enough. I always check the consistency before I pour because some paints thicken up. All right, just a little bit. And then I have this Deco Art Berry. Okay, how about a little bit of gold? A little bit of green. This is peridot green and yellow green mixed together. Probably got too much now. All right, I'll use my black cell activator. I'm gonna put a little bit of gold on top of this. It's probably too much paint. It's probably all gonna run off. I'm gonna use my blower. Here's my smaller one. That's quite interesting, and I can just see it all now go. It's gonna all blow off because I made my puddles too big. You got to make them small. And I think I probably added too much paint, which I always do. Colors are pretty though. That's nice. I might take some of this off. almost broke my palette knife. I don't know. Well, it's pretty now, but we'll see how long it lasts when I spin this. It's gonna disappear. Oh, I like it. I don't want to do any more spinning. I don't know if it'll crack or not, but you know what? I can always try. I'm going to leave it and see how it dries. Look at that. I think it's really pretty. Well, there you go. Finally got my colors so they didn't all sink. Just the middles of the petals, which is kind of cool, actually. There you go. I'm going to leave this one and see how it dries. Maybe I'll luck out that it's not too thick in the middle. I'll take you in for a close-up. Very nice. Hope it dries later. There you go. Thanks for coming by in my art room, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll put the dried result of this Simplistic bloom at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried flower. It's dried pretty good. Where the skewer went through, it's like a little indents, but I think it's fine. Once it's resined, you won't even notice that. Might be a bit tacky there, so I don't want to touch that. Still looks great. I love it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye-bye.